what were your thoughts on GitHub's Copilot?
So it's all right.
And
So
this for the audience, and I think you're bringing it up, but it's
yeah,
basically an artificial intelligence uh, Copilot to that can help write the methods for you.
yeah. So your
If
Era AI pair programmer. So basically, they've taken our rubber duck and given it a brain. Um,
yeah.
a I okay. First of all, creepy. But secondly, I'm not. I mean, I like to let computers do what computers do, and I think AI is incredibly sexy. I love AI stuff, but I don't think AI is ever going to take the place of two human beings talking about a problem because it just can't think that fast. Now, using this as a tool to help with pair
Oh, it
programming,
can think faster.
yeah, I mean, I can see benefit here as a tool for pair programming in that it can help me look up things or remember methods or find things that I didn't know was there faster than somebody Googling through a bunch of stuff or going on to Reddit or whatever. So I see benefit here, but replacing your pair programming partner with an AI, maybe in 100 years that would be feasible, but right now I don't see that as being really a thing. I like the concept. I think it's neat. I mean, creepy, but neat. And
Yeah, I'm interested in looking and see what it actually does, but that would require me switching my editor to VS Code, and I'm not quite ready to do that.
yeah, so and this is something I want to take a look at too. It's in technical preview right now. GitHub Copilot, and it's a really neat concept. And I think it would be helpful for learning. And I see it being a useful tool for pair programming.
I actually
But
don't see it. You know, they say it's your AI pair programmer. I really don't see it for use in pair programming, but I mean for just programming in general. Because like if you define, you know, if you give your definition of a method, what it's supposed to do, and if it helps build the method for you to help you move faster, maybe not type as much. I mean, maybe it knows to look at, maybe it will eventually learn the intelligence is enough to look at previous methods you've used before,
mhm.
and it can bring up that implementation, and then you can make the tweaks you need for this use case. I
And
don't know.
you know, I don't think their intent. I think this was kind of a tongue-in-cheek thing. I don't think their
Yeah,
intention
yeah.
was
I
really
mean,
for
you
it to
know, it
be.
helps drive traffic, you
Yeah.
know, and whatnot. But
Um, but I honestly, after having looked at this, as when you, holy crap, English. After having looked at this when you brought it up last week, I see potential value for this in a pair programming situation, as helping you go even faster, because now the person who's doing the searching and thinking and planning can do it on the stuff that really needs that, instead of looking up what's this method name, how do you implement a singleton, how do you do this thing, how have other people done this thing. This will help with a lot of that, I think. Now, I mean, it's at a tech preview state, so we've got very limited information right now, or at least I do.
yeah.
But it looks like it could be something that's really useful. And, you know, like I said, I don't think AI is ever going to really replace a human being. And I don't personally think that's what their intent was. I think this was just a tongue-in-cheek kind of thing. And it's cute and it's neat, and I get it. But,
Well, I think the AI will replace us. The question is how long.
yeah, well, certainly not in my lifetime. Not a replacement for me. I may have to shift what I do as a human being, but that's been happening for a long time.
Forever. Yeah.
But yeah, I don't think we're anywhere close to Terminator here, so
Yeah.
everybody's safe.
If you like this clip and want to watch another one, you can click right here. Or if you want to watch the full video, you can click here.